got $1 left and I got a Wolfhound. Give me the 6 hats. Come on, a lot of retrieve. Come on, Wolfie. Come on, give me a lot of retrieve. Come on, one more. Come on, Wolfie, where are you? Where are the hats? One more, give me one more. Yes. Okay, finally one retrieve. Alright, give me some gold. Give me some gold. Give me some gold. I need a mansion. Wolfie. Please. Come on, Wolfie. Yes, one gold. Yes, 2 gold. That's good. This is good. Alright, finally I got 2 gold. Come on, keep retrieving. Keep doing that. Yes. Come on. I got 4 gold already. Keep doing that. Keep retrieving. Keep doing that. 5 gold. 3 hats. Give me 3 hats. Okay. Alright. Got how many? 7 gold. This is incredible. What we got here? The major is $4 grand today now. Come on. Come on, Wolfie. Come on, Wolfie. Be nice to me, okay? I really need this one today. I really need this one. Come on, what we got here? Points. 18, alright. Most important part here. Coins.